Hi guys, welcome to Sojo Academy. I want to do a brief tutorial on how you actually log into your dashboard. When you join Sojo and you have gone through the checkout process, after your payment has been approved, you will receive an email that looks similar to this, okay? This is a test account. I do not recommend you use some of these accounts that are difficult. There's a little bit of deliverability issue with these, but for this test account, I've set this up just for this so you can have an idea of what you will see. Okay, you will see this email here. Now, what you'll want to do at this point is actually copy and paste your password. You can type it in, but sometimes the O's and the zeros look a little bit off, and the caps and the lowercase, it's all very case sensitive. So if you copy and paste it, if you just highlight it, right click your mouse or your keypad on your laptop, and then go to where it says paste or copy rather, you can copy that password and then you can paste it in. You can log in from two different areas. Obviously, you can click this link here, and it takes you to this page here, which is directly your login page. Okay? Alternately, if you do not check that, if you do not click that link, you can just go to sojoacademy.com, and this is what you'll find. If you were to click this red button here, this is how you're going to get on from now on. If you click this red button, says member login, it will take you to that password page, the login page we were just looking at. In order to log in here, you'll see there's a couple of things you need to notice. One, this side here, you can ignore the left side because it is for people who are not in the academy. They can join the wait list here and they can grab their free scripture reading plan, and that will take them back to here. Don't worry about doing that because this scripture reading plan and writing plan is in your dashboard already. Okay? So you will go here and you will put your email address in, and then you will paste in that password that you just received. If for some reason you've deleted that email, you don't remember your password for whatever reason, there is a button here that says lost your password. You click on that and you will receive an email. You put your email address in here and you'll receive an email with to create a new password. Okay? But if you have your username and password, enter it in, you log in, and you have made it to the membership panel, the dashboard. Yay! Welcome aboard to Sojo, and in the next video, I'm going to show you all the different parts of the dashboard and how to use it.